I'm Wendy Mathis. I am a software lead architect at USI Insurance. USI Insurance is an insurance broker that provides insurance for large and small clients as well as individual in the property, commercial, employee benefits, and retirement needs. USI Insurance is unique because we team together groups of experts, groups of professionals to pool their expertise together along with market research when we're looking for insurance solutions for our clients. So the amount of software behind them to get that solution for them is crucial in our model. One of the key challenges that USI had faced before is when there were security flaws and holes, it would go for a while before we would discover them. It was a very big vulnerability, and we'd have to scan the software again, go and deploy it before we knew it was wrong. It's just a long cycle before we brought in Dynatrace. USI chose Dynatrace because Dynatrace has shown its importance in the industry in giving that observability of what's going on with your application, what's going on with your server, what's going on with the security, to give you the whole package. We scan with a separate software, all of our software before it goes to production, but we didn't have anything that would happen during production that would scan the servers for vulnerabilities that came up. As we know, hackers, it's a constantly moving process. There's new vulnerabilities all the time. So Dynatrace pointing those out ahead of time lets us know that we need to make a change. So Dynatrace, for me as a software lead architect, is vital in the observability it gives me. It has become my best friend as a developer to narrow in on what the issues are, to quickly figure out which team I need to go to get the problem solved. Dynatrace, even when we were first reviewing the application, was immediately beneficial in that we were reviewing one of our applications and saw some problems with some SQL queries. It is a vendor-driven application, and we were able to take screenshots of Dynatrace, send that to the vendor, and have them fix it rather than the back and forth that normally happens with a vendor that could take weeks or months. We were able to get it addressed fairly quickly. We had different applications that people were saying was down. The application was no longer accessible, and we looked into Dynatrace, saw that it was a pattern. There were multiple applications having the same issue, alerted our infrastructure team, and what might have taken 2 or 3 days for us to figure it out as we troubleshoot in each individual application, instead, once infrastructure was alerted, we were able to get it back up in about 20 minutes. Dynatrace is the platform we never knew we needed. It makes sense of the craziness that happens in a development world and just helps us to be more efficient.